Hi everybody, Dugroz here from Dugroz Reports. So a couple days ago, I got a targeted offer in the mail for a credit card, and it looked kind of like this. It says Heavyweight Champ, and right over here it says Black Card, the Mastercard Black Card. On the back, they call it the Luxury Card, so I'm not sure which name to go with, but I've seen Black Card a little more often, so I'll roll with that for now. So this was kind of interesting. It also came with terms and conditions and an application, and it directed me to a website where I could get more information. And as soon as I went to the website, there was a video. So let's watch that video together.
A credit card that delivers innovation, value, and service. Each card weighs 22 grams and is made with a unique blend of stainless steel and carbon. Choose a 24-karat gold, black PVD coating, or brushed stainless steel surface. A difference you can feel. When it comes to using your points, the Luxury Card takes the lead. For airfare, please redeem at a rate of 2% on any airline with no blackout dates or seat restrictions. Plus, get access to airport lounges, the exclusive luxury magazine, and more.
Ooh, a
Now that's
magazine.
what I call value. Make any request 24/7 by phone, email, or live chat. Book a tea time.
I can make any
reserve a table at
request.
your
They
favorite
may not
restaurant,
honor it.
Find the perfect gift, or plan your next vacation. Whatever you need, wherever you are. This is Luxury Card.
Well, that was a thing. So on the flyer that I got in the mail, it mentions some of the ancillary benefits. There's a $100 airline credit and a $100 TSA global entry or pre-check credit. Here's the kicker, though. Very small print down here. Can you see that? $495 annual fee. And if you add an authorized user, that's an extra $195. So even after taking away that $100 travel credit, that would be a $395 effective fee. But what I really want to take a look at is the quote-unquote airfare redemption rate comparison. This card is issued by Barclays Bank, if you're wondering. So taking a closer look here at those redemption rates, it says on their website and on the flyer that I got in the mail that it has the best airfare redemption rate versus the competition, noting that you can redeem 2% equivalent for travel with this card. And then it shows some competitors, and the closest one is the Sapphire Reserve at 1.5%. But do you see some small print at the bottom? Yeah, I'll blow that up for you here. The fine print. The rate at which points can be accumulated vary among these credit card products and can impact the relative dollar value of the redemption. Well, duh, you think? I mean, that's a bit like one kid saying, my dad can lift 300 pounds. The other kid's saying, oh yeah? Well, my dad can lift 350 items. What do you mean items? You know, it's comparing apples to oranges or being intentionally vague. Of course, if you're only looking at the redemption rate and not the accumulation rate, you can make the statistic look however good you want. But what I'm interested in is the net result. So with this card, basically you earn 1 point per dollar, and then you can redeem it at a factor of 2x to get a cash equivalent of 2% on travel. But you know what? I can think of 6 other credit cards that have an effective annual fee of $100 or less that do better. Don't believe me? Let's look at these examples. How about the Capital One Venture Card, which has a $95 effective annual fee? Actually, it's just the annual fee is $95. In fact, this Mastercard Black Card feels like it's the exact same card as the Capital One Venture, just way more expensive. The Venture gets 2% on everything and no modifiers for travel, just a 1.0. So your effective redemption rate is 2%. How about the U.S. Bank Altitude Reserve, which has a $75 effective annual fee? It is a $400 annual fee, $325 travel credit, but that gets you down to the effective annual fee of $75. That has 3%. That is bonus categories on travel, on mobile wallet. Those are 2 huge categories right there. And then a modifier of 1.5 on travel. So you're getting an effective redemption rate of 4.5% cash equivalent on travel. How about the Chase Inc. Business Preferred? I know not everybody can get a business card, but a whole lot of people can. That has a $95 annual fee, 3% on travel, shipping, internet, cable, advertising, a couple others. And then within its own portal, 1.25% for the modifier, giving you an effective redemption rate of 3.75. And yes, I'm kind of glossing over transfer partners. I mean, that would be a whole nother thing. You know, a lot of these cards, not all, but many have transfer partners where you could get way more than a 1.25 or 1.5 modifier. You could get way more than 2 cents per point. How about the Citi Premiere card? And yes, I'm aware it has some limitations related to ancillary benefits, but it has a $95 effective annual fee. It gives 3% on travel and gas, has a 1.25 modifier in its own portal, so 3.75% effective redemption rate on travel. Hey, how about the Citi Double Cash? I mean, it's a card that has no annual fee, and it just gives you 2% on everything. So that 2% can be on travel. I mean, put it in a savings account and then spend it on travel. You've got an effective redemption rate of 2%. What if you want to do a 2-card combo, the Wells Fargo Cashwise plus the Signature Visa? Both of those are no annual fee cards, so a $0 effective annual fee. You can spend on your yellow Cashwise card, get 1.5% on everything. Then you can transfer it over to your Signature Visa, and that's a 1.5 modifier on travel, or at least flights, giving you an effective redemption rate of 2.25. Better than the Black Card, and no annual fee at all. Well, how about sign-up bonuses? Because, that's something we need to look into. Well, all of those 6 cards or card combinations that I just mentioned, with the exception of the Citi Double Cash, have a sign-up bonus ranging anywhere from $150 up to $800, depending on which one you go with. And guys, I realize there's tons of other factors involved. I'm just giving you a quick overview. But, how would that compare to the Mastercard Black Card? Well, it has no sign-up bonus. At least in the offer that I got, there was no sign-up bonus at all on their website. I didn't see a sign-up bonus at all. Obviously, that's as of the date of this recording, but as of this exact date here in January of 2020, no sign-up bonus for this fine card. But what's really important is the weight of the card, guys. I mean, it is a heavy card. It is physically weighty. So what did I think of the Mastercard Black Card, also known as the luxury card? Well, before I tell you, subscribe to my channel. And now that you've done that, I will let you know, frankly, I can't think of any reason to get this credit card other than vanity. If you want a big sign-up bonus, there's better cards out there. If you want a net good modifier, in other words, you're getting 3-4% cash equivalent back on travel, there's better cards out there. Frankly, just get the Capital One Venture. It's essentially the same card and costs less. Guess maybe there's some ancillary benefits they're not advertising. I mean, it doesn't say anywhere on here like, their car rental and stuff. I'm sure there is some of that, but oh, wait a minute. You do get that magazine, the luxury magazine, with this subscription. So that's probably a good reason to get it. And impressing your friends based on how much it weighs. Hey, put some comments down below and tell me what your thoughts are. Am I crazy? Am I being too harsh? Maybe there's a factor I didn't consider. I'd love to know what it is, but I can't see it. Thanks for watching, and please click the thumbs up button. Peace out.